Hello, my classes, and welcome back. Hopefully you enjoyed the 3-day storm we had and the time off that you had. Okay, so I just wanted to touch base with you. Today is a work day for your personal slides or your personal Google drawings. They need to be submitted. I moved the due date. They will need to be submitted by Friday, February 5th, instead of today. That should give everybody plenty of time to work on that. We will start our classes with sharing those early next week. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure I touched base. So being that today is a work day, I need you to fill out an exit log, just letting me know what you worked on, and if you completed it or how far you got, so that I know. Okay, so please do that at the end of class so that I know that I can give you participation, and that I know that you are working. Behind me on the board is the schedule for today. That should help even those of you at home know what time you need to get to your classes. Okay, so have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.